Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can manage notifications for specific app on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to customize notifications for a specific app, we need to go to the settings, then open notifications and go to app notifications. Over here you will find the list of most recent apps that have sent you a notification. At the top over here where it says most recent, we can actually tap on this button and then choose something different like most frequent, or even all apps. So now you have access to every app that you have installed on a device. So let's say I'm gonna choose Google Wallet, and of course you can just turn on and off notifications for this specific app by tapping on the slider on the right side. You can also go to the app itself, and over here once again you can enable and disable all notifications. However, below over here we have some different notifications for different things. Of course, depending on the app, you will see different options. For instance, in the case of Google Wallet, we have some tips, purchases, passes, and so on and so forth. So, for instance, if I do not want to receive tips notifications by Google Wallet, then I can simply turn them off, like so. And the same goes with anything else that I decide to not want to see or receive by the app. And as an example, let's show one more app. Let's say we're gonna go to LinkedIn. I didn't use LinkedIn, so I don't have any, but let's say messages. Then over here we have incoming messages, so if for some reason I don't want to see notifications about incoming messages, then I can just turn this off, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!